Hey everyone, Tom here with MaxHousePrice, about to show you a new project we're about to get started on. I'm here in Woodbridge, Virginia, working with a local real estate agent at Keller Williams Realty and their client who took advantage of our win-win home selling system where we perform updates to their home, we pay for it with our own money, the seller and the agent, they don't come out of pocket a penny, and we get paid when the house sells. So let's come take a look. We're starting outside. So this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath Rambler. And we're going to do some paint out here. We're going to paint all of the siding to just freshen this up, painting this porch. We'll paint these shutters and door. You see they're painted purple. I'll probably paint those a nice black to just give a nice contrast off the white. I don't know if you can see right here, maybe backing up. We have this big tree, which is awesome. But you can see we got some limbs that we need to take care of and get that trimmed up just to protect the house. Actually, going to be replacing the roof in this house as well. Let's take a look around the side and the back. So one thing that's important for us is looking for areas where there may be a home inspection issue when the house gets to sell. So there's a couple things we need to take care of on the outside. This railing's not to code, so we're going to fix this railing to make that up to code so there's not an issue when they go to sell the home. And if we come around back, we have a nice little deck patio back here, and because of the height we just need to add a step. It just needs a full-length step, so instead of putting railing we're going to be able to come in here and just put a step. We're going to power wash this, get this cleaned up. We're going to do a little bit of cleaning. We got these old sheds that it's gone overgrown. We're going to take those down just so that the new buyer doesn't have to deal with that. So again, just painting the exterior, cleaning everything up just to get it in better shape, and then replacing the roof as well. So let's come on in and let's go take a look inside. So this is a one-level Rambler, and it doesn't need a ton of work. It just needs a little bit of cosmetic updates. So the big thing is we're going to be painting everything in here. You're going to see as we walk through, every room's painted a different color. We're going to paint everything a nice light gray. We're going to have bright white trim, bright white ceiling, white doors. And then we actually have hardwoods all throughout, but they're different. And you're going to notice as we walk around, we have about 4 or 5 different types of hardwood. What we're going to do is we're just going to sand and refinish all of these hardwood. We'll do one stain color, so it's going to look nice and uniform, and it's going to look nice and clean. So yeah, we have this kind of black stain. And then as we come into the kitchen, it's a little bit more of a natural stain. And then as we come into the dining area in the back, we have a little bit more of like kind of a walnut reddish stain. And the same thing kind of continues. You have a bedroom, or maybe you might use this as an office in the back here. So we're just going to be refinishing these floors and painting everything. Couple ceiling fans to replace. But overall, the home it's solid. It just needs to be cleaned up, especially with everything's about the price point. You don't always have to do everything. And this kitchen is going to work just fine for this price point of where this house is going to sell. We're just going to get everything cleaned up so it's nice and clean for the new owners. So if we come down to the back here, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. So again, you'll see in this bedroom, we need to paint these walls, get that cleaned up in a nice gray and white trim, and then refinish these floors, and everything's going to be uniform. You have a bathroom on the hallway here. They've already updated it, so we're just going to clean everything up and sand and refinish these floors. Again, you see it's a different color in here, so we just want to match everything up so it's nice and uniform. Good sized bedroom here in the back, same thing. We just want to get this painted. It's going to look great when it's done, and same thing, just refinishing these hardwood floors. And this was a ceiling fan at one point. We're going to put in a new ceiling fan here so that you have that in this room. And then coming to the back, this has a really great master suite. They've added on to this house, so you can set this up. The new buyer's going to be able to set this up however they'd like. But kind of the same thing. We want to get rid of the purple. Purple's not in right now. It's a little too dark. You have 2 different colors of hardwood floors. Again, you got the hardwood in the bathroom that's different. And same thing, this bathroom's in good shape, so we don't really need to do much other than just clean it up for what we're looking to achieve. for the seller and the agent to maximize their return. And then same thing, coming in here, painting, getting everything clean, and refinishing these floors. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're probably going to be here for about 2.5 weeks or so. So look out for an update. And if you have any questions about our win-win home selling system and how you or your clients might be able to take advantage of that, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text at 703-215-2144, and we'd be happy to chat. Thanks so much.